ready to take the shady dreams in every eye. Find a challenge, take a stand, build a future hand in hand.
Hello and welcome. I'm Impo VA, your Impo Wired virtual assistant. Let's rewire for maximum empowerment at work and in life. Today, we are diving into how to integrate AI into your business, even if you are not a tech expert. These 10 practical steps are designed to help business leaders and teams make smart and strategic use of AI without overwhelm. AI is more than a new tool. It's a shift in how modern businesses function. Just like the internet changed everything, AI is now reshaping operations. The most successful businesses are not just using AI, they are embedding it into their daily workflow. You don't need to know how to code, but you do need a plan. Let's break it down into 10 practical steps you can start using today. Your first step, don't start with AI. Start with a challenge. Look at your workflow. What's draining your time or causing bottlenecks? That's where AI can make the biggest difference. It's not about adding tech for tech's sake. It's about solving real problems. Once you've found that challenge, define your strategy. Think through why you're using AI, where it will live in your workflow, and how to use it responsibly. Clear intentions build trust, both with your team and with your clients. Now, get your data house in order. AI tools thrive on clean, accessible information, even basic tools. This is not about fancy databases. It could be as simple as organizing files, updating spreadsheets, or labeling documents so they are easy to find and use. Before you go big, go small. Test AI on one simple task that's easy to measure and low risk. Maybe that's summarizing client notes or drafting routing emails. A small win builds confidence and shows your team or yourself that AI can deliver value right away. With your first use case in mind, pick tools that make sense for your work. Not just what's trending. Think practical and user friendly. If it doesn't fit your workflow, it won't stick. Use a tool that solves your problem, not the one that hyped. Next, test and learn. Run a pilot. Try the tool in real situations. Watch what works, where things break, and what needs adjusting. More importantly, document the process. That knowledge is what helps you scale later. Now, let's talk training. AI won't work if your team doesn't know how to use it or if you don't make time to learn yourself. Make resources simple, visible, and easy to access. Even if you are a solo business owner, block regular time to learn and adapt. Once AI shows results, make it part of your overall business strategy. Set clear goals, assign responsibility, and make it part of your planning. The goal is AI integration. AI shouldn't be treated as an add on, but as a working part of how your business operates. And while you are scaling, don't skip ethics. AI is powerful, but with power comes responsibility. Be transparent, protect data, avoid bias. Use automation in ways that feel human and fair. Ethic isn't extra, it's essential. Now, it's time to measure. How much time are you saving? Are errors going down? Are tasks faster? Keep it simple, but keep track. Clear results make it easier to justify next steps, get time buy in, and make smarter decisions about what to do next. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. AI integration is a process, not a project. Start small, stay curious, let the wins guide your growth. The goal is not to replace what's working, but it's to improve what is slowing you down. So, here's your call to action. Pick one workflow, one challenge, one tool, test it, tweak it, and let that momentum build. Integration doesn't happen in a day, but it does with one smart, intentional step. Thank you for listening and see you next time.
Small thing, it's a great disaster.